my name is Monica Bravo. I'm a business strategist and a Facebook ads expert. I help female entrepreneurs, especially coaches and course creators, find simple, effective ways to boost their business. Today, I'm going to share with you one of my techniques to do market research. And this is a great technique because you can actually spy on your competitors and see what your competitors are doing to boost their business. Are you struggling with what to say on your Facebook ads? Struggling what photos to use, what freebies to use, and which ads are the best converting? Stay to the end of this video and I'm going to share with you some of my top Facebook ad swipe files that you can use to help give you a push to create your first Facebook ad. What I'm going to show you today is going to be how you spy on your competitors. One thing it's not going to tell you is who they are targeting. It won't tell you how much they're putting on each ad or which type of ad to use. So I want you to think about this. The only thing you're going to be able to see is the actual ad. So step one is actually typing in one of your competitors' names at the top. So I just typed in Tony Robbins, and you can see all the different pages he has. Click on his name. Once this comes up, you're going to scroll down all the way under the About and click on See More. Once you click See More, scroll down, and you're going to go, it says this page is currently running ads. You're going to click Go to the Ads Library. And then this will give you some important information. It will tell you how many likes there are on his page, when it was created, the primary location where he runs ads, how much he has spent, and you can look at the spend details. We'll go back to that. So the reason why you would want to spy on your competitors is 1, to do market research, 2 is to get some ideas, and 3, to write content for future videos, blog posts, and more. So I want you just to scroll through your competitors' ads, and you can see, you can get ideas. Success without fulfillment is the ultimate failure. And as you scroll down, you'll see different ads, and you could get inspiration. So there is one example. My next example was Nike. So this is more a product-based ad. Let's just click on that, Nike. And again, you can scroll down and see page transparency, and it will tell you this page is currently running ads. You can see they're running ads to 23 countries, and click on Go to your ads library. Once you get to the library, you can choose with the drop-down menu if you want to use Spain, United States, or really connect where you live. And you can see here, you can get bold, breathable mesh silhouettes. And then you can scroll down. So a lot of times when people are doing launches, they're running a lot more ads, multiple ads at a time. Remember, you're not going to be able to see the ad targeting, which for Facebook analysts, this is the #1 thing we focus on. We focus on those audiences. We focus on retargeting audiences and really tying in our ads to specific niches. So I would advise you to go through and look at a few different audiences and ads and really make sure that you know who you're targeting and speak directly to them. If you liked what you saw today, I want you to click like below and also post a comment and let me know if you learned something new. If you would like to download my top 10 plus Facebook ad swipe files, please scroll down below and you can download them right now.